Today I'm going to be taking you on a tour of the brand new Caddy California. So we've got the vehicle set up for night time now, so we've got the blinds in the windows, the bed set out in the back, the James in here is 6'1". So at the back of the vehicle, just around here, you've got your gas cooking area, make it nice and easy for cooking on the go, and on your days out, your cutlery drawer down here. And on the side windows, you've got your additional storage. Also included in the vehicle is the picnic table and chairs, nice and lightweight and easily stored away in the back. So in this particular vehicle, you've got the glass roof, which is an optional extra, and it lets in a great amount of light into the cab area. At the top here, you've also got the black roof rails for additional storage and things like roof boxes or bike carriers. So we're now in the front of the vehicle, and as you can see, you've got the updated design here. So you've got your gear selector down here, your electric parking brake, your leather multifunction steering wheel. So you've got your assistance systems such as cruise control. Coming across to the middle, you've got your infotainment system. So you've got Bluetooth connectivity for your phone, DAB digital radio, your app connect with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, and then you've got your navigation system as well. So we're now at the front of the vehicle. As you can see, you've got the updated front end for the 2022 model year. Just down in the new grille at the bottom, you've got your front assist, and the vehicle is finished in the stunning Costa Azul metallic paint.